Lord Mayor, Your Excellencies, Mayor of Oslo, Mayor of London, Your Worships, Councillors, ladies, gentlemen and children, pray silence for the Lord Mayor's chaplain, Father Christopher Colvin.
In the first story of creation, as recorded in the book of Genesis, we're told that there was darkness over the whole world. And God then said, "Let there be light." And there was light. In all the great faith traditions, there is this contrast between light and darkness. It's no coincidence that the annual celebration of the birth of the one who calls himself the light of the world should take place in the depths of winter, close to the day with the least sunlight. A light that shines in the dark, a light the darkness cannot overpower. Our Christmas tree Here in Trafalgar Square, the welcome gift of the people of Oslo once again stands at the heart of this great metropolis of London. And as it is illuminated tonight and through the coming season, it demonstrates our desire to live in the light. Let it be a powerful sign of our shared hope for peace and goodwill within and between the nations. In a world so often darkened by conflict and inhumanity, we remind ourselves that it does not have to be like this. Let us commit ourselves to do all we can to enlighten others' lives. And so together we now sing the carol, O come, all ye faithful.
Pray silence for the Right Worshipful the Lord Mayor of Westminster, Councillor Robert Rigby.
Once again, welcome everyone to this year's Trafalgar
Christmas tree ceremony. It is my great pleasure to be here with you all to celebrate the gift of this wonderful tree and, more importantly, its meaning. We gather here today thanks to a long-standing friendship between the United Kingdom and the Kingdom of Norway. Today marks the 77th year a Christmas tree has been given to Britain by the people of Oslo, in thanks for all the aid Britain provided to Norway during the Second World War. In 1940, when the Nazis invaded Norway, King Haakon VII escaped and found shelter here in London. From there, he and his government helped coordinate the Norwegian resistance against the Nazi occupation. When in 1942, a Norwegian resistance fighter cut down a spruce tree during a raid, he sent it to King Haakon, who in turn gifted the tree to the people of London. So began a decades-long tradition. Now every year, the gift of this tree stands as a testament to the gratitude of the Norwegian people and to the enduring bond between our two countries. We are ever grateful to the people of Oslo for this gift. The fact is that we couldn't imagine Christmas here in the city of Westminster without a Norwegian spruce, in pride of place here in the heart of the capital. I was privileged to be in Oslo a fortnight ago, together with the Mayor of Oslo. We felled this Queen of the Forest. The Queen is selected years in advance. This year's tree is 57 years old. The trees chosen are always entirely natural, no special genetic modifications, just the simple beauty of Norwegian nature. I was honoured to help fell the spruce before it made its journey to London. Now, after a trip over the North Sea, we see her here in all her glory, standing at 20 metres high and decorated shortly with lights in a traditional Norwegian style. So on behalf of the people of London and the City of Westminster, I thank the Mayor and the City of Oslo for this wonderful gift. Before we switch on the lights, I would like to now hand over to the Mayor of Oslo, Anne Lindemann. Thank you.
Break silence for the Mayor of Oslo, Anna Lindboe.
Lord Mayor, Your Excellencies, Mayor of London, ladies and gentlemen. Hei, alle dere norske her I dag. Hei, alle barn. Are you having a good time? Dear friends, I've been looking forward to presenting this year's Christmas tree from Oslo to you. It's a Norwegian spruce which the Lord Mayor and I cut down in the forest of Oslo 2 weeks ago. I like to think about the tree as a 60-year-old, 20 meters tall lady. Despite her age, she has little life experience, having lived her entire life rooted to the same spot in the forest. She's truly a country girl on the adventure of her lifetime. As a woman in my 50s, I know that looking fabulous at our age takes time and effort. We ladies of a certain vintage can be a little bit touchy about comments on our appearance. Knowing that some of her predecessors had attracted a little bit of criticism, you can imagine how nervous she is now that the lights will soon be lit. But I can assure you, she's all spruced up and ready to shine for the people of London! Oslo's annual Christmas tree gift is an old tradition dating back to the 1947. It's a token of gratitude for the help and support we received from the people of Britain during the Second World War. This year, to share with you one of our most treasured Christmas traditions, we have invited a boys' choir to join us. The Norwegian Broadcasting Boys' Choir, Sølvguttene, the Silver Boys in English, are under patronage of the Queen of Norway. To many Norwegians, Christmas begins with the choir's annual televised concert on Christmas Eve. As we look forward to their performance, let's remember that Christmas is more than anything a holiday that belongs to the children. It's heartbreaking to think about the ongoing wars in Ukraine and in the Middle East, where innocent children will not be able to experience the peaceful joy of Christmas as we do. I hope that the tree can remind us what friendship and support mean. I hope the tree, with its lights, can offer comfort to those who are struggling. The tree stands as a symbol of love and peace. It's the proof of our two countries' strong ties. In the coming weeks, this Christmas tree will spread its light to the people of London and everyone passing by. On behalf of the people of Oslo, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope each of you will have some peaceful Christmas days where you can be together and care for one another. God jul fra Oslo, alle sammen. No, let's make the Christmas tree shine. So, I would like to invite Lord Mayor Robert Ribby to join me in switching on the Christmas tree lights. So, let's all count down from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
London, break silence for the Silver Boys.
Oh.